Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 8 gigs to earn first $100 on Fiverr. Now, these 8 gigs don't require a lot of skills, and these skills that I'll be telling you which tools to use for each of the gig that I show you here. So, let's get started with the video. So now if you go to see, the first one is the presentation service. Now what do I mean by presentation service? You can start offering people presentations for them. Now this is very easy to start and it requires basic design skills which you can learn from YouTube as well. Now, the tools that you can use for these kinds of services is Canva, Microsoft PowerPoint, or any Adobe Photoshop or Adobe InDesign if you know. But Canva, I prefer Canva because like Canva is very easy to use and it is easy to understand for a beginner also. If you are a high level of graphic designer, then definitely go for some advanced tools. Even same with Microsoft PPT, you can go in and check out the templates in Canva as well. I highly recommend buying Canva Pro because there are so many unlimited options in that and you can straight away start your journey with Canva Pro. So now let's see, if I go to fiverr.com and I search for presentation. Now here you can see that so many, like 14,000 people are offering their services. So definitely you can go ahead and start offering these kinds of services. And kid you not, these are really easy to start with services. You can just go right away and make a gig about designing PowerPoint presentations. Now don't get overwhelmed by the designs that are put out here. If you go to see here, there are new sellers as well. So if you go and apply here, so here you can see there are people who have just started out, and see the designs are super simple. So you can also start out with that, and here you can see people are using Canva to make slide decks and webinar slides, etc. Now, coming on to the second service, this is super easy. Like, I started out with making Instagram posts for my clients, and if you want to go, you can go ahead and start out this. You just require basic design skills. You need to know the type of posts on Instagram, that is reels, carousels, and single posts, or even Instagram stories. People even pay for designing their Instagram stories. Now you can use tools such as Canva, Figma, or Photoshop. All the first two tools are completely free. You need to pay for Photoshop. If you want to go ahead and buy Canva Pro, like I told you before. And some bonus is that if you are using Canva, you can also offer them templates. Now we'll go on Fiverr and check how people are doing this. You go and type in Instagram posts, and if you go here, you can see that there are people offering carousels. There are different types of designs. People are offering 9 awesome Instagram and Facebook design posts, and you can see the prices. You can actually check out like how many people. There are 663 reviews. That means so many people have bought from him alone, which is amazing totally. If I go ahead and open this service, you'll be able to see like he's selling one Instagram carousel swipe for 3 images for 394 rupees, which is also amazing again. And you can see there are different types of packages here. If you go down, or if you go here, you can see this. Now here what you can do is you can directly offer people Canva template. Now there will be certain requirements, but you can directly go ahead and type in Instagram post, and you can see there will be tons of templates in Canva which you can directly offer them. Moving on to the next part, which is writing captions for Instagram. Now literally people pay for writing captions, like really, and I'm not joking. Copywriting is a very high paid skill in today's world. So it's very easy to start. You just require basic research skills and a good good hold on English or any kind of other language based on the client that you have. Now, what tools you require is Google, Grammarly, and copywriting skills. For Google, you'll require a lot of research about a particular topic if you are writing on a new topic. For Grammarly, you should not make any kind of a mistake, so you can use Grammarly extension that is there. If you want, I'll mention the link in the description box for you. And you require good copywriting skills. Now you can take any type of basic course on Udemy for copywriting skills. If I go on fiverr.com and I see Instagram captions and I go and search ahead for that, you will see that there are so many people offering 15 Instagram caption posts for 1500 rupees. If I go ahead and click on the first one here, there are 515 services available. So this is a very low kind of people who are offering this kind of services. So for you to rank higher, there's a higher chance for you to come on the first page of Fiverr. Try to focus on the keywords which they are using, which the top gigs are using that appear here, and then tweak it a little, and then you will also be able to appear on the first page. Here you can see send me 5 photos and I will write a caption for each photo. This is a very simple service, I feel, and she also include like 100 words, higher word count, available for custom gig orders. So this is very easy, I feel like, if you are just starting out. So definitely check this kind of gigs out, because I feel like even if you have just a good hold on English, you can go ahead and start with this. Again, I'm telling you, pick a niche in captions. For Instagram captions for real estate. So here you see like there are people offering Instagram caption for realtors, which is real estate again. Moving on to the next one is removing background. So this kind of requires zero to little skill is required in this, and the tools that we'll be using is remove dot background, Canva, and Photoshop. Now I have a other video which shows how you can remove the background using these two. I'll mention the link in the description box or at the top right corner here in this video, and it's really like in within 2 clicks you can remove the background of any kind of photo. So if you go on Fiverr again and you see remove background from image, sorry, background from image. So you can again see here there are people offering this kind of simple and easy service which does not require any kind of additional skills. So go ahead and watch that video for tutorial and you will be able to offer this service. How easy is that? Just trust me and go ahead with this if you are like a beginner. And people also want, Amazon has this thing where you do not need the background. So Amazon has this requirement, you need to remove the background and upload the product image. So Amazon product image, if you go and search for this, there are people even offering product editing, I feel. So here if you see people are providing basic editing skills as well on for Amazon. So you can even check out like various other services. Moving on to the next thing is video clipping. Now, what do you mean by video clipping? Now, if I have a long video and I want only the short part from that video. So you can clip the video off, you can trim the video off, which is really simple, and you require only basic editing, video editing skills. You do not require any kind of sound effects or any Premiere Pro high end effects or nothing like that. You just require basic editing skills. If you're using social media, then definitely you must have edited some kind of video in the past. So you must already have this knowledge on. Even if you do not have, go check out a video tutorial on YouTube on how to edit or trim clips. Now there are a few apps that I know, which is an InShot app. On your mobile you can do that. There's Windows Movie Maker. If you have a Windows laptop, then definitely go ahead and check out the Windows Movie Maker. It comes free with a Windows laptop. So That is also very pretty simple. And if you can invest in a paid tool, then definitely go check out Filmora, which is a little bit of advanced video editing tool. But I definitely go, if you want to do it for free, then go ahead and use InShot app. So here, if you go on Fiverr and see video clip, 652 people are offering this service, and it's like a basic service like trim clips, add transitions. You can, get all of this inside of these three apps. Coming on to the next part, which requires a little bit of high end skills, which is resume writing and design. Now, if you know that many people want to, get into big multinational companies, and some people hire other people to just write their resume, and which is a really, really good skill to have. If you go on LinkedIn and search for people who are offering these services, there are literally so many people offering this. And if you go here and see resume writing, there are so many people, like, and you can design this in Canva. I'll just show you how you can do that in a bit. Or there are automatically pre-made templates, resume templates websites, where you can check it out on Google. Here you see 5,000 people are offering these services, and there are so many people, like upgrade your resume, CV, cover letter, LinkedIn. I will write your senior director, VP, executive resume. There are literally so many people, and just see the price that they offer. So I would say this is a little bit of high kind of skill that you need to have if you want to start out with this. But if you, like, you do not have any good hold over English, then don't go for this kind of skill, because this does require a hold on a good language. So resume design, resume writing is one, and then resume design is one. So if you go here and check out, there are so many amazing designs now. These designs are available in Canva, like, right, like, really they are available in Canva. So if I go ahead and click resume here you can see there are so many resume designs, and like minimalistic resume. You go ahead and click here, this is an amazing resume. Then this one, and this one, like, there are endless options in Canva. That's why I always recommend you to buy Canva Pro. Some of the ones won't be free, you will have to be paying it for them, but if you want to start out, you can definitely start out for free. So that is why this is a really good skill to have. And like, in one resume you can easily earn 5 to 6 thousand of rupees, which is amazing, isn't it? And the next thing is bonus is finding clients on LinkedIn. Now here you will find clients definitely on Fiverr, but you can go ahead and research a little about finding clients on LinkedIn. Moving on to the next one, which is slideshow videos. Now, if you are someone who loves making happy birthday slideshow videos for your relatives, and if you already have made one in the past, then this is something that you can offer to your clients as well. Now, this is easy to start, and I know some tools where you get automatic templates where you just need to put in photos and some text, and it'll automatically give you those kind of videos ready made for you. So you require basic editing skills for this. You can edit the video in Canva, Filmora Go, Viva Video, and many more other apps which are there on the Play Store. You can research them. So here, if you see, if I write happy birthday slideshow video, here if you go and check this out, there are so many people offering this. And like, if you just go ahead and open this video, you can see it's a very simple, and you can get stock footage from Pixabay or any kind of those kinds of websites. So if you see, if you go on pixabay.com wedding, here you can see, like, you go into the video section. Here there are so many video clips about a wedding, and you can try use your creativity as much as you can. Check out some of the gigs, do your research well, and then post your own gig. So this is also some very easy way to start out if you want to Like if you go here ahead and see, there are so many endless number of skills here. Coming on to the last and the final is book cover design. Now this is a medium level skill and it requires like basic editing skills as well. And you can start with the tools such as Canva, Envato, or Adobe Photoshop, or any kind of InDesign or any other Adobe products that you know. You can start with Canva definitely, and I would definitely again recommend you going for the paid version if you are already started to earn a little bit. But if not, then it's fine. Then you can start going on Fiverr and seeing book cover design. Here you see so many people are offering these services. Now this book cover design for ebook. Now you can see there are many high-end quality designs that are here, and you get these mock-ups on envato.com. So if you go on Envato book mockups. Here you can go and search for these book mockups. Again, this is a paid thing that they are offering, but you can try and find this out. Like you can, if you have Canva Pro, then definitely you can go ahead and make a mockup in Canva itself. I'll make a different video for that if you want Canva mockups video, but you can do this as well from Envato Elements. If not this, then definitely go ahead with Canva. And if I type your book cover, I'm not sure if it will come. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm in the resume section, so let's leave this. Book cover. Here, if you go ahead and see, there are so many beautiful book covers, and you can just, go ahead and change the text a little, which is again amazing. There are so many book covers here you can see. So yeah, there you have endless options. I would say, like, if you want to start earning money online, just go ahead and offer these kind of services. I know the place is crowded, but there is enough space for everybody to be on this platform. You see, there are so many sellers, and each seller, it's not like people are buying from one seller only. There people are buying from many different sellers, so don't feel like there are so many people already ahead of me, so I'm standing nowhere. No, it's not like that. Go ahead, start somewhere. Don't be disappointed. Like, don't compare yourself with other people, and I definitely think you will succeed. So that's all for the video. I hope you loved all these 8 gigs that I showed you.